The Cryptide Sneaker. Picture yourself in the Cryptide Sneaker, a footwear marvel created using cutting-edge 3D printing technology. Crafted from a special polymer called thermoplastic elastomer, TPE, these shoes offer a unique blend of flexibility, tensile strength, and elasticity. They can endure extreme temperatures of up to 219.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and their elements can be as thin as 0.04 inches. Designed by German architect and designer Stefan Henrich, these sneakers are not just stylish but also inspired by extinct or mythical creatures. With them, you can leave footprints akin to the legendary Bigfoot, making a bold fashion statement while embracing innovation. The Emerge Home Tactile panel introduces a new way to see and touch virtual objects. This technology relies on ultrasonic waves to create tactile sensations within a 3-foot height and 120-degree radius around the device. The panel, made of polycarbonate and weighing 5.7 pounds, is compact and approximately the size of a 13-inch laptop. With special apps, you can create a network of up to 7 devices and interact with others by shaking hands or engaging in games. The Emerge Home Tactile panel promises to bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds. L'Oréal Colorsonic Hair Dye Device. French specialists have introduced a revolution in hair dyeing with the L'Oréal Colorsonic Hair Dye Device. This user-friendly device allows you to choose your desired hair color through a dedicated app and then applies the dye gently to your hair. With a special brush that makes up to 300 movements per minute, it ensures even color distribution from the roots to the ends of your hair. What's more, interchangeable cartridges offer a wide range of color options, with 40 different shades available in the app. Say goodbye to salon appointments and hello to a DIY hair transformation experience. Azoran Cyborg Gaming Keyboard. Gamers, imagine the perfect fusion of a classic keyboard and a gamepad. Latvia's Azoran Cyborg Gaming Keyboard aims to offer just that. Depending on the model, it features 24 to 29 programmable keys, a joystick, and a special 5-position switch. What makes it truly unique is its flexibility, allowing you to adjust the keyboard to the shape of your hand using a provided screwdriver. Weighing just 2.5 pounds and powered by USB, this device can store multiple control profiles and caters to both right-hand and left-handed gamers. The Azoran Cyborg promises to enhance your gaming experience by seamlessly blending the best of both keyboard and gamepad worlds. Bell Nexus Air Cab. Are you ready to transform a 45-minute commute into a mere 10-minute flight? The Bell Nexus Air Cab promises to make this a reality. This 5-seater vehicle is equipped with powerful engines, enabling it to take off and land vertically. The pilot can take control or entrust the process to the autopilot. With different versions offering ranges from 60 to 150 miles, the Bell Nexus Air Cab is positioned to carry both passengers and cargo, potentially revolutionizing urban air mobility. Time is the most valuable resource for many, and this innovation aims to save you precious minutes every day. Ecto One Virtual Reality Boots. While virtual reality offers immersive experiences, sitting in an armchair or on a sofa can limit the feeling of being truly present in the digital world. Ecto One Virtual Reality Boots are designed to address this issue. Made of carbon fiber, these boots can be worn over your regular shoes and feature special rollers that allow you to walk through virtual environments, while staying in place in the real world. This innovative solution provides reliable support without turning you into a roller skater. Additionally, motion sickness prevention technology is incorporated, making it suitable for large virtual environments. If you're a fan of expansive virtual worlds, these boots are set to redefine your VR experience. Padrone Finger Control Ring. Ever wondered why we use computer mice or touchpads when our fingers are the most advanced pointing devices? Switzerland's Padrone Finger Control Ring has the answer to that question. This unique ring allows you to control your computer cursor, scroll through pages, and perform other familiar screen operations using your finger movements. It's a Bluetooth-enabled device that works seamlessly without the need for additional apps. The Padrone Finger Control Ring is so well protected against moisture that it can withstand hand washing or even a trip through the dishwasher. With a battery that lasts for 24 hours, it's suitable for both right-hand and left-handed users. However, it's essential to use it on a relatively solid and monochrome surface to ensure accuracy. Poodoo Bellabot Robot. Meet the Poodoo Bellabot Robot, a unique Chinese robot designed to transport goods and entertain visitors in supermarkets, restaurants, and trade shows. This robot has the ability to carry up to 88.2 pounds, and it weighs 121 pounds. It boasts a maximum runtime of 24 hours on a single charge, making it a reliable and efficient assistant. What sets it apart is its cutting-edge scanning system, which allows it to detect obstacles as low as 0.07 feet, and scan its surroundings at a rate of 5,400 times per minute. This enables the robot to notice obstacles up to 32.8 feet away and safely navigate around them. With its charming design and extensive interaction capabilities, the Poodoo Bellabot robot promises to revolutionize customer service and logistics. Japan introduces the world's first full-size drone with 2 arms, the Padrone PD6B AWARM. Weighing 44 pounds and capable of carrying objects weighing up to 22 pounds in its arms, this drone reaches a maximum flight speed of 37 miles per hour. This means it can rapidly deliver life-saving equipment to a person in distress, such as a life buoy. With a flight time of 30 minutes on a single charge, it can operate in any weather conditions and ascend to altitudes of up to 3.1 miles. This versatile development is poised to enhance safety in various scenarios, from high-altitude work to transporting heavy or dangerous loads. Have you ever dreamed of running effortlessly across all types of terrain without stressing your joints and waist? Japan's Atoun Tabito 02 Exoskeleton has made that dream a reality. This device is designed to reduce joint and waist stress while absorbing shock loads, providing enhanced mobility and comfort. The manufacturer has a history of creating similar products, including an exoskeleton capable of lifting up to 220.5 pounds to a height of 6.6 feet. The Atoun Tabito 02 is a more accessible option suitable for delivery workers, mail carriers, and anyone who values their physical well-being. Kara Pure Water Generator. In modern cities, obtaining high-quality drinking water can sometimes be a challenge. The Kara Pure Water Generator offers a solution, providing up to 2.5 gallons of clean, delicious, and mineral-rich water daily. What sets this generator apart is its unique ability to draw water directly from the air. The resulting water has an optimal pH level and contains essential minerals like magnesium and calcium, which are beneficial for your health. Additionally, the built-in UV sterilizer ensures the purity of the liquid, and the device also filters the air in the room, removing harmful substances and maintaining ideal humidity levels. Hydration is crucial for youthful-looking skin, and Kara Pure offers a holistic approach to achieving just that. Augmented reality (AR) interfaces have made significant advancements, especially in the automotive industry. The WayRay AR system revolutionizes your driving experience by projecting vital information directly onto your vehicle's windshield. This technology is fully customizable, catering to the unique needs of each user. For instance, racers can benefit from real-time trajectory guidance, while everyday drivers can enjoy features like traffic light timing information. It can also be integrated into other vehicles and even buildings. Imagine having real-time weather forecasts and other valuable data at your fingertips just by looking out of a window. The WayRay AR system utilizes state-of-the-art solutions in optics, holography, chemistry, and custom software development, ensuring that your driving experience is safer and more informed. Mango Power Backup Battery. Your home is your sanctuary, and it's worth protecting, especially in a world with increasing power outages. The Mango Power Backup Battery offers a substantial capacity of 6.9 kilowatt-hours, one of the best in the home power supply market. With this capacity, you can charge your smartphone up to 460 times, keep your refrigerator running for approximately 7 hours, or watch television for nearly 63 hours. The device is equipped with 19 different ports, catering to various needs, from USB ports to electric car outlets. Additionally, 2 wireless panels allow you to charge smartphones efficiently, and advanced technology ensures a rapid charge time of just 2.5 hours. The Mango Power Backup Battery offers peace of mind and uninterrupted power in a world where staying connected is essential.